Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. Going over my most successful day on YouTube. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, I'm making this video really to inspire people, to inspire anybody thinking about making a YouTube channel. For anybody wondering out there, is it possible to make good money on YouTube? And just to give you a simple answer, yes. Now, I wasn't 100% aware of YouTube as far as like the money and everything, how everything worked on YouTube until last year. Now, I did a lot of research last year. I was under the impression that everybody get like $2 per thousand, and YouTubers don't really make a lot of money and all of this stuff. I was under a lot of false impressions about YouTube, and I just had to get out here and experience it for myself. And I see, the power of this platform. Once I realized that you can literally pick up your phone and record yourself and upload it on YouTube every day and make a new title and get paid. Like that, it blew my mind. Like it was just, once you understand, like how we systematically programmed to earn money, and like how everybody hate their job, and it's something so simple that you could pick up your phone, you can do that, you can screen record yourself and get paid. Once I understood that, me being a black man from Detroit, Michigan, I took it serious, and I ran up 20,000 subscribers. All of this in 1 year of just posting and taking it serious. Now, YouTube, anything is possible with the money. I've seen people make $5,000. I thought that was a lot of money. I'm like, $5,000 a month off YouTube, that's good. Seen people make $10,000, $15,000 a month on YouTube. I'm like, that's some good money. You could do a lot. You could live anywhere in America. $10,000, $15,000 coming in residual every month. You could do a lot with that. And then I'm seeing 50, 70,000 per month, 100,000 per month. I'm like, whoa. It's people making $100,000 per month on YouTube. That's really going on. And I'm seeing, even when we get to people with 10 million subscribers, it's like the elite YouTubers, entertaining $1 million per month AdSense revenue. And from there, I knew I had to take this platform serious and learn it. And I just want to share some techniques with y'all, just some tips and tricks I learned about YouTube that could help you, on the start, or if you're creating content, it could help you better optimize and improve your AdSense revenue. Now we're gonna go over my most successful day on YouTube, and it just happened May 19th. Now May 19th, I made $165 in 1 day. Now I know that may not seem like a lot of money to people. I know $165, you probably spent that today. You know what I'm saying? You didn't blew that on an outfit or something, So $165 is not a lot of money, but what caused like a paradigm shift for me was the way I made it. The fact that I made this by posting videos, simple video, and every video I make on my iPhone, even this screen recording video, I imported to my iPhone to edit it. I make every video from my iPhone. So the fact that I made $165 from my iPhone using internet, using the phone, like it just blew my mind. And YouTube, it has a threshold. It's only you have to make $100 per month, or at least $100 in a month to get paid on YouTube. And I remember times where it took me a whole month to make $100. And this wasn't even that. This was probably like a year ago, because I only been monetized since 2017. I really didn't take it serious in 2017. I ain't take it serious till 2019. The majority of my money, if we look at my lifetime, the majority of my money I made came in 2019, you know. It was in 2019, and even then, the highest day I had was like a $90 day. I never got over $100 in one day on YouTube, and I only been taking it serious since 2019, and now, you know, I hit $165 in one day. So I just want to share something with y'all, because my YouTube journey wasn't a smooth journey. You know, like I said, when I started YouTube, I didn't really, know you can make a lot of money on YouTube. So I would post music and I would post little videos, and I wasn't monetized yet. I started in 2014, but I didn't get monetized until 2017. So, I did a lot of things on my YouTube channel, and I got demonetized. I got demonetized like 2 times. And, this caused me to rebrand my channel and learn about something called CPM on YouTube. And this is where I go back to my first point earlier, where, I thought everybody on YouTube gets paid like $2 per thousand, but that's not the truth. The reason I was able to make $165 in one day, it wasn't because I got, thousands and thousands of views. It was because I optimized the video that had a very high CPM. And I just want to tell y'all, like, when you do different things on YouTube, you get paid differently. So, for example, if you were a gamer and you record game videos, you will have a low CPM of like $2 to $5. But if you're a person, on here talking about money, if you're talking about business and financials and real estate and, how to earn money online, how to start this Amazon business, how to start this Shopify business, how much money your business made, the production of your business. If you talk about stuff like that, taxes and all of the financial stuff, if you talk about things like that, if you educate people, that's a whole different world on YouTube. And I had to learn this. I had to learn that, it's 2 levels to YouTube. They like to promote YouTube as this entertaining platform. It's the entertainment level. It's the entertainment level of YouTube. Then it's the education level. It's the level where people come on here looking up how to do stuff. Like, how do I fix my computer? How do I get out this problem? How do I repair my car? How do I, do my taxes? How do I file for this loan? How do I, and when you work in the ladder, in the area, in the niche on YouTube, where you're educating people, where you helping people, pointing them in the right direction toward money, toward, finding a solution to a problem, YouTube pays you more than the entertaining people. Now, you see right now, my CPM is $20 per thousand. I get $20 per thousand. It took me 100,000 monetized views to get $1,500. When it's taking channels 1 million views to get $1,500. Do y'all understand what I'm saying? Like, when you talk about educational content, when you are informative, when you can provide value in a way that can help, the crowd, the established crowd, the crowd with credit cards, the crowd with credit and money and houses and cars already, they're on YouTube too. It's all in the analytics. The majority of people that watch my channel are between 24 and 34. Leave a comment if you between 24 and 34 and you watched up to this point. But this is the key on YouTube. This is how to be successful on YouTube. Even though you don't get a lot of views, when I changed, I used to do all strand reviews. I made a new channel for this, but all medical strand reviews, and those videos used to get so many thousands of views, hundreds of thousands of views, but I would not get paid for it. I could get 70,000 views on a video in a month and not get paid for it. Or if I do monetize, it'll be limited ads, and then I get about $7 or something for thousands and thousands of views. So you know, when I changed my content to talk about how to earn money and talk about success and business and the law of attraction and things to do with money and financials, I saw my CPM change. I made a video asking how my CPM went from $7 to $20. And from this, like, spikes like this can happen. Where I hit $165 in a day, and I know to a lot of people that's not a lot of money, but it's just the way I did it, the way I made it. It's like liberating to me, like, just to know, like, damn, I can always pick up my phone and record a video, and make some money on YouTube. Because I'm just getting established. I want to get myself established to that point. If you watch YON World, I make videos about everything. I don't ever want to be closed in a niche, But I like talking about money. I like talking about how to do things. And if I figure out, a new business method or a way to make money online, I can share that on my YouTube channel. And I know, I'll get rewarded. I'll get paid in a good way for that. And, I like that. So, I just wanted to go over my most successful day on YouTube, just to show you the actual video that caused all this. It was a financial video. It was about a SBA EIDL loan, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan from the Small Business Administration. And you can see, right, my playback based CPM on this video is $43 per thousand. For less than 10,000 views, I got $224, and it's still pending. It's like this not even it, because it's a day behind, so it's still calculating AdSense revenue for this video. So yeah, but I noticed when I talk about financials, and I learned this from studying YouTube, and I was seeing, like, why when I look at some channels have 7 million views, and, like, let's say channel with 7 million views, they got like 10,000, and then you check another channel with the same amount of views, but it's about financial, and he got 30,000, and you like, whoa, what's the difference? Like, and then you find out it's a different CPM. Is they run ads on more education, more informative videos. People pay money. They pay more to be placed on videos like that. So I just wanted to expose this information to y'all. I hope this finds somebody. I hope this inspires somebody out there. But this is my most successful day on YouTube. It's your boy YON World. I'm out.